for the hymnless kids with no religion. Yeah, we keep on singing, yeah, we keep on singing.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I feel so weird like recording because lately all I've been doing is literally just posting on TikTok. But today's video, I am going to be doing an AirPod Pro unboxing along with the Apple Watch Series 7 unboxing. So if you guys want to watch, then go ahead and keep watching. Feels like it's been like forever. I think like the last video I posted, it was like 2 months ago or a month ago. So these devices, I am currently renting them from a company called Grover. The video is not sponsored by them, but they are honestly a really cool company. So even though you're renting products, you still have the option to fully purchase them after you're done like renting them or whatever. Choose between a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, or a 12-month period. And yeah, and they are honestly a really cool company, you know, besides, you know, like Run a Center or errands or anything like that. So I figured I would give this company a go. So literally, just to give you a rough idea, the Apple Watch and the AirPod Pros, so both of these are completely brand new, not used, and I literally paid, I think it was like $13 for both of them. So I'm literally paying $13 a month for these guys, which is honestly really cool. And then it also gives me the option, you know, if I want to send them back, or if I just want to buy them, which I'll probably just purchase them. But we'll actually leave a link to their website down below in the description bar if you guys want to check them out. If you've stuck with me this long, thank you guys so much. But yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, I just want to show you guys, this was brand new. I literally got so excited and didn't think about it before I started filming it. But yeah, this was the wrapper, literally completely brand new. So go ahead and open her up. I'm honestly really excited, and I'm hoping the sound quality is really good for these. Oh, they're so cute. It feels so weird because like it's like wider. Ta-da! They look so cute. They look so clean. That's like one thing that like my AirPods, like I literally am constantly cleaning them. All right, so let's go ahead and lift this little guy up. Oh, that's cute. You get little filler things, of course. And this is the well-known Type-C to Lightning charging cord. So it's lightning fast. Super cool. I really wish Apple would come out with a black pair. I think that would look so cool. I have no idea what's going on with my hair, but yeah, I think that'd be really cool. So Apple, if you guys watch this video, you guys should come out with black headphones because I think those would sell like hotcakes. So also with it, I'm pretty sure, yep, so this is like the user guide manual and stuff like that. And yeah, just how to set up the headphones. Oh, these ones actually didn't come with the Apple stickers. That's okay. Maybe I think it's probably just the phone and the laptop and the iPads that come with the stickers, but I'm pretty sure when I had my AirPods, I'm pretty sure those came with like a sticker. So that is super cool. All right, let's go ahead and do the Apple Watch. So I did pick up the Series 7 Midnight, so I got the black one. I feel like I always go with either the pink. So this is the Series 5 in the rose gold. I've also had the silver one, but I felt like I always go with like the rose gold or the silver. But yeah, as you guys can see, this band has definitely had its work done, and this is the Series 5 as well. I mean, I really didn't need a new Apple Watch, but this one is literally like 3 generations behind, because Apple did come out with the Series 6, the SE, and now this is the 7. So this watch is literally like 3 generations behind. But yeah, the biggest thing with the Series 7 like difference is the battery life is longer on the 7. The display itself is more like corner to corner, so there's less of a bezel around the screen. And also when it comes to like texting, it actually pulls up like a full keyboard. Like, I feel like it's just the little stuff, but like that little stuff literally just makes a huge difference. And then as far as like health features, the Series 7 also introduced a blood oxygen level sensor, which I think would be pretty cool. But I mainly wear Apple Watches because, as you guys know, I do have epilepsy, which is not fun. So the watches themselves, they do have fall detection. So if I have a seizure while I'm at work or, you know, anywhere, like my watch will call 911 and my emergency contact for me. So let's go ahead and unbox her. If it helps, I also did go on Amazon and I did pick up some bands here. And I think like the black is just more like neutral. So I did go ahead and pick up these screen protectors because I want to keep the watch as nice as possible, because I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. So yeah, you guys can see like the scratches like on every single corner. Oh, and the glass is tougher on the 7s as well. So you can't really tell when the screen is on, but as soon as it turns off. So yeah, I definitely am pretty hard on my watch here. So I did pick these up. I will also leave a link down below if you guys are interested in picking these up. I also picked up some more scrunchy style Apple Watch bands. These are so comfortable and I love them. But I figured I'd pick up some different colors here. This one's like a neutrally one, a black one, a green one. This one is honestly so pretty, and of course a leopard print one. I think it's gonna look so cool. And then I also picked up a big pack of these ones. So this one, I do believe for 4 of them, I think it was like $11.99 for 4. And then this one was $24, but there's 14 bands in here, so they're literally like $1.50 a piece. But honestly, oh, this like coral one is so pretty. This one is, oh, this maroon one. Oh, look at the dark green. That's really pretty too. It did come with a sand color one. Yeah, there's like a bunch of different colors, like a navy blue. But yeah, I figured, I don't know, I've never had like a black Apple Watch, so I think this is going to be super fun. Okay, let's go back to the Apple Watch. All right. Okay, well, whatever. Just go ahead. So in your Apple Watch, it looks just like this. There's 2 different boxes. So one is going to be the band, and this one has the Apple Watch itself. So as you can see, completely brand new. And we're just gonna, and I have to get my nails done soon, so please don't mind my nails. Okay, so it looks just like this. It's going to come in like a little sleeve here. And look at that. It almost has like, it's like a bluish black, but it is honestly really, really pretty. And then same deal, you lift up this little sheet here. And the charger, same deal, is the Type-C, which is the new fast charging. inside. I think I'm gonna do like the black band. I think that would look really, really pretty. But yeah, so this is, and like they said, they're so comfortable, so comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and put the little screen protectors on here, and I do believe these ones are actual, yes, these ones are actual glass, which is really, really nice. So I'm thinking that is going to be really sticky. Look at that. So nice. And it really doesn't add any bulk whatsoever, and it's completely glass. So I'm honestly really, really impressed. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it was like $8 for 2 of them. And I keep this one as a little backup. So this is her. Okay. Might have to cut that off, but yeah, that's literally what it looks like. It looks so nice. So nice. Alrighty, let me go ahead and pair and set this guy up, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so I just got done setting up my Apple Watch. Super cute. I decided to put the black band on there for right now. But yeah, so far I'm honestly in love. The screen looks so much bigger, and this runs so smooth. And right now I have like 50% battery, so I'm hoping the battery lasts really, really long. But yeah, haven't used my AirPods just yet. But literally just with me like setting up my Apple Watch and everything, it's just been so much quicker, and yeah, I really, really love it. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you guys want, you know, any other like tech videos or like an aesthetic type thing for like an Apple Watch or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below. I'm sorry, my hair is a little wacky right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Like I said, I will leave a comment or down below for the Grover's website and for my Apple Watch accessories as well. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button if you guys did enjoy my unboxing video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.